Next wonderful indoor plant to grow is this Erica palm plant. Erica palm plant is an air purifier plant and also one of the best indoor plants. This plant needs ample space to grow. You can't put them in small planters. They need huge planters because this plant with time matures, and also when the plant mature they produce many baby pups. So you'll have to divide them and put them in separate planters. So this is an air purifier plant, and also you can grow this with or without fertilizer. Easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent plant, a beginner gardener's plant, and also an evergreen plant for your home garden. Now you can grow this plant as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Make sure to give them indirect sunlight. So the sunlight, either it be bright or medium, shouldn't be burning the leaves of the plant. It should be indirect sunlight, so that is the best. So this is one of the air purifier plants. Have it in your home, or else you can put them outdoors as an outdoor plant. Soil should be well draining, and you can take garden soil 1/3. You can select sand in that and also add some cocoa peat for the better growth. That's about Erica palm. This video is the part 2 of indoor plants, how to care and how to grow. So there are many tips I have provided in the video, and if you have not watched the video 1, you can watch it with the link in the description below. Previous video I have uploaded the trending houseplants which are very famous and how to take care of them in brief, and also some important tips and tricks of growing indoor plants. So make sure you watch that video too after watching this. Another beautiful indoor plant is the umbrella plant. They grow from stems. You can easily grow them from stem cuttings. If you have a friend or a person who having this plant, get a small stem cutting, a healthy stem, and put it in water to propagate, or else you can directly put them in soil. This is one of the best house plants. Easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent. With or without fertilizer you can grow this plant. One of the beautiful decorative plant. Keep it in the shade. Once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in the shade. According to Feng Shui, this plant brings good luck to your home, so this is best at your entrance. So this is one of the beautiful variegated leafy plant, decorative plant, a beginner gardener's plant, and also once you bring it from a nursery you will see that you can multiply them with no time. So this is another wonderful house plant. Pandanus plant, another variegated leafy plant, very beautiful looking plant, and also they are very decorative. You will see that with time they produce small pups and you can multiply them by dividing. So this is another beginner gardener's plant. This is also low maintenance, permanent, and it will stay in your garden. Once you bring it from a nursery you will see that this plant grows without any fertilizer too. Ideal for a beginner gardener or a lazy gardener. Keep it in the shade or in the bright light. This plant will grow. So this plant doesn't seek any fertilizer too. This plant is great for a person who loves decorative plants, especially the one who loves keeping house plants. So have this plant also in your indoor plants collection. If you can keep it near a windowsill, this plant growth will be amazing. Another wonderful plant to have in your garden is the aloe vera. Aloe vera you can grow very easily. They belong to the family of succulents. No need of fertilizer. Mix sand in the soil, don't forget that. These plants are succulents, and also they don't need regular watering. You can skip regular watering. So this plant also, if you keep in the shade, they will grow the leaves will grow very green and also thick. If you put it in the very sunny area, these plants leaves will be thin, but still they will grow, and the leaves also will turn yellow. This is what I have experienced with my personal experience, I'm telling. So these are beautiful medicinal plants too. They are beautiful house plants, low maintenance and permanent. These gel are used for routine hormone of plants, and also this gel being used for skin care and also hair care for ages. Rubber plant. Rubber plant is a plant which doesn't need any fertilizer, which doesn't need any care. This is a beautiful leafy plant, a decorative plant. You can grow them from leaf cuttings, and especially you can propagate them in water and also in soil. This is a best plant because this is an air purifier too. So rubber plant also very easy to grow and one of the decorative house plants. So if you are a person who loves keeping indoor plant, this is another suggestion for you. So caring is very easy. These plants doesn't seek much attention, much care, so low maintenance, permanent. But once you bring a plant from the nursery, keep it in the shade. If you don't keep it in home as a house plant, keep it outdoors as an outdoor plant. This is Syngonium. Out of varieties of Syngonium, this Syngonium plant grows really well. They are very hard to kill and also low maintenance and permanent. They look so green and there are many varieties too. So have this beautiful plant from stem cuttings, and also this plant you can propagate in water, keep it in water, and also make it a decorative item for your home, because these plants are low maintenance and permanent, doesn't need any fertilizer to grow. So beautiful evergreen plants for your home. So and also one of the beautiful decorative plants. So even a lazy gardener or a person who doesn't have much time can grow these plants. Once you keep them at home, you don't need to regular water. You can skip regular watering. You can water them when the top layer of the soil is dried out. When making the plant, you can put any planter, DIY planter or any planter for these particular plants, and also the soil should be well draining, and add some cocoa peat in the soil because they love the moisture balance. Swiss cheese monstera. This is another beautiful house plant and also a beginner gardener's plant, low maintenance and a beautiful decorative plant. This plant is ideal for indoors because they also grow well in the shade. You can propagate them easily with a stem cutting in water, or else you can put them in soil because they already have aerial roots. Now if I to show you, now look at this. This is the stem and this is the aerial roots appearing. So very easy to propagate, friends, and also very easy to grow plant. So have it in your home garden as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. One of the best plant because very low maintenance.